What up, y'all? Welcome to this video. I got this package from Keyboard Arcade. Time to see what's inside. I started by cutting all the tape on the box. It was taped down in 3 places, which is pretty good as it means the box is super secure. And then I can open up the box, and the first thing I saw were these DN stickers. DN is a super funny meme from the 4D server, and these stickers look awesome. Next, I got these 2 bags from inside all of this bubble wrap, and these are the actual keycaps. The big bag is the base kit. This has all of the alphas, modifiers, space bars. There are some numbers for a numro, some limited novelties, barred and scooped homing keys, everything that you need. The smaller bag is called Satan Sack, and it has some pentagram novelty keys that are both red and black and red. I recently got this J46K BM working, and I will put the caps on it. I removed the 2 space bars that were previously on the board, as I want to use the DSS bars that came with this set, and I just have to put the keycaps on, which will take me a little bit of time. The board has a black FR4 plate from GLC PCB, and I'm hoping that the black doesn't clash with the keycaps, as I find you can sometimes see the plate through keycaps, and that can really change how it looks. So far, I absolutely love this set. The texture on it feels and looks amazing, and the red and black go so well together and with the case. DSS has a really comfy scoop, and I love to type on it. Thank you all for watching that video. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you dislike it, I'm fine if you dislike it. Just tell me why in the comments down below. And as always, keep on making.